want to download games on your TCL Android TV, then here's how to do it. Hey guys, if this is your TV right here, which is the TCL one, and you want to download some games, so it is actually pretty easy. Just navigate to the Your Apps section. From there, head on to the right. At the very end, you can see Add Application. Press on that, and then you can just search for apps and games. Press on that, and my TV is has a microphone, so let me just cross road. So for instance, that is the app or game.
Results for Crossroad.
So it will show you the results for that. So if you want a specific one, which is the Google Play games, you can also install it, and you can install from there. So you can just direct install from your TV, or if you want a third-party installer, then you should download Google Play games.